Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play arcade games using an easy method. First, locate the coin slot, typically on the front panel, and insert 1 or 2 quarters or tokens. Next, choose your desired game from the selection screen, often using the joystick. Familiarize yourself with the controls, usually a joystick for movement and 1 to 3 action buttons for jumping, shooting, or special moves. This quick setup gets you ready for fun. Mastering the controls is key to enjoying arcade games. The joystick, often an 8-way directional input, allows for smooth character navigation across the screen. Action buttons, usually large and brightly colored, perform actions like firing weapons, jumping over obstacles, or initiating special attacks. Spend a few moments practicing basic movements and button presses to build muscle memory and improve your reaction time. To excel, develop effective gameplay strategies. Pay close attention to enemy movements and attack patterns. Many arcade games feature predictable sequences. Always prioritize collecting power-ups, which can significantly boost your abilities or score. Manage your lives carefully, as most games offer only 3 to 5 lives per credit. Knowing when to use a continue can extend your play and help you reach higher scores. Aiming for a high score adds an exciting challenge. Try to complete levels and objectives as quickly and efficiently as possible, often earning time bonuses. Many classic arcade games feature hidden bonuses or secret areas that award extra points or lives, so explore thoroughly. Consistent practice is crucial. The more you play, the better your reflexes and strategic thinking will become, leading to impressive scores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.